What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with yet another video, and today I wanted to just talk about basically, the summer is here. Today was like 25 degrees. It finally feels like summer. So I thought I'd just do a video for you guys talking about my summer 2019 sneaker rotation. I'm also super interested to know what you guys are rocking in the summer. Tell me, what are your favorite summer go-to, not only like beaters, but like sneakers that you were kind of saving for the summertime to rock. So let me know down in the comments below. And as always, guys, if you enjoy the content, hit that like button and of course subscribe for more. I appreciate it. Now let's get into the video. Now the very first sneaker in this video is a sneaker that at first I actually thought was the ugliest sneaker that came out last year. But if there's one sneaker that went from 0 to 100 super fast for me, it's these right here, and that is the Zoom Romero Cold Wall collaboration. As you guys can see, it has this huge block at the back here, which what turned me off initially at first. But man, like the more I saw this sneaker, I saw some of my favorite YouTubers wearing it. So there's another guy, Daniel Simmons. I saw him wearing these. I'll leave a link down to his channel. And I mean, like, this sneaker is just amazing. It's not only is it like the most comfortable sneaker I had ever bought before, like this sneaker is so comfortable. I just think it just adds like a really smart, sophisticated look to any outfit. So I always wear the sneaker with pants, not jeans, guys. Like, I'm definitely much more of a pants guy. And these sneakers just look so sick with pants. Like, it just gives your whole outfit like a much more sophisticated, like grown up kind of look. And I'm just a huge fan of these sneakers. So of course this is gonna be part of my summer rotation. I'm gonna be wearing the hell out of these. This sneaker actually leads me into the second sneaker as part of this video. And so basically I love this sneaker so much, but because it's kind of difficult to, wear every day, and I actually wanted to wear these every day because they're so comfortable, but because of this block, of course, you can't really wear these every day. So I went ahead and bought these. So this is basically the Zoom Romero, it's not a collab, it's just basically a Nike release. And this is the Zoom Romero in actually a gray color. I know it looks kind of white on camera, but it's actually like a very light gray. And this sneaker, of course, is super wearable. You can wear these with any outfit. And this is like 100% my go-to dad sneaker and my go-to sneaker, period. So especially when I'm gonna be walking around all day, if I'm gonna be traveling and I know I'm gonna be walking around doing a lot of sightseeing, this is definitely that sneaker. I just love the way it looks. I know like the sneaker is like a 5-year-old like retro. It came out in like 2010. And back then I really didn't follow this sneaker that much or know much about it, but it really, I think, aged well, and it looks really good in like today's kind of fashion. And man, enough talking about these, but I absolutely love the Zoom Romero. So I got the Cold Wall pair, and I also got the basic gray pair. And they keep dropping more and more fire collabs. Like there's supposed to be like a Drake one coming out, which I'm gonna cop. I am from Toronto, so my favorite sneaker with Drake, that's definitely gonna be a cop. And there's also some more cool GR looking colorways that I wanna cop. So yeah, we'll see. The Zoom Romero, I love them, so there you go. Next sneaker on the list. Now, I have been saving these for the summer. I actually haven't worn them yet, and that's because I was waiting for the summertime to rock these, and that is the Off-White Air Force One in this bright Volt colorway. So of course, like, this is a summertime sneaker with this bright colors, and yeah, I mean, I think this is so sick. And like I said when I reviewed these sneakers, at the time the resale price was really low, and I said that the reason the resale price was low was because these sneakers released in like November, like during the winter, but it's really a summertime shoe. So I mean, looking at the resale prices right now, I am kind of tempted to sell these, to be honest with you, because like it's crazy right now what these are going for. But I honestly really love this shoe, and I don't have any colorways like this in my collection, so most likely gonna keep it. Air Force Ones, to me, one of the most underrated sneakers when it comes to comfort, and the Off-White Air Force One, I think, top 3 in the entire Off-White collection is the Off-White Air Force One, like just the way it looks with the swoosh and everything. So yeah, excited to rock these in the summer. Next on the list, speaking of colorful shoes, I'm gonna be rocking these. These are my Revenge Storm I don't know what they're called. I think they're just called the Revenge Storm Old Schools or something. I'm not sure what the official model of the shoe is, but yeah, I know a lot of people basically look at this and say like, yeah, this is like, those look like bootleg Vans. And to those people I say, no, these are not bootleg Vans, and B, you ain't got these. So these are the Revenge Storm. So they were basically a shoe put out by Ian Connor, and there's tons and tons of colorways of this sneaker, but I particularly really like this green version. This particular shade of green is pretty dope, and I mean, I like Vans in general. I do have 2 other pairs of Vans, but these to me, it just looks so sick with this Thunderbolt instead of the Vans old school stripes. Man, I love these shoes. I rock them. This is like the 2nd summer now that I'm gonna be having these, and yeah, definitely plan to be rocking these. Next on the list, we have the Nike Blazer in this OG form. Now, I particularly have this Pacific Blue colorway, but basically any colorway that dropped this year has been fire. There's that red one, there was a green one, there was also a black pair, I believe. And you can't go wrong with any of these, especially considering I think these shoes are only like $100, and for $100 you're getting like such a classic looking shoe, and it speaks summer times 100. You know, it's such a summertime shoe, and I particularly love wearing these with blue jeans. And of course, I'm gonna continue beating the hell out of them. You can see that they're already like really dirty. Like, I've been wearing the hell out of this shoe, and I will continue to do so. Not the most comfortable sneakers, like not comfortable at all, I would say. But it looks very dope. So yes, definitely will be one of the most worn summertime shoes. And finally, my go-to beater, one of my favorite sneakers of all time, guys. That is the Off-White Zoom Fly from the OG collection, the original 10. I've said this many times on this channel before, I love these sneakers. These sneakers are just super comfortable, and they're also, of course, like a huge flex. I mean, this is an ultimate flex. You got a sneaker from the original 10, and not only is it super comfortable, it's super hype, it looks dope. Man, these are my go-to sneakers, so of course I'm gonna be rocking these. And that's pretty much it. I didn't want to basically put like 10 or 20 shoes in this collection video. I just wanted to do like a little short video and not bore you guys with 20 minutes of content. So these are my top 6 that I'm gonna be rocking in the summer. Let me know down in the comments which one did you guys like the best. Do you agree with some of the shoes on this list? Like, do you think some of these are trash? Let me know down below. And of course, once again, let me know what you will be rocking this summer 2019. Oh, actually, guys, there is another sneaker that for sure will be in my like most worn shoes of not only the summer 2019. This sneaker is probably gonna be at the very top of my top sneakers of the year, but I don't have them yet. I'm gonna be getting them in a couple of days, and I will put out a video for you guys. Yeah, should I reveal them? Yeah, okay, yeah. So they're basically gonna be the Sakai Nike waffle racers. I went ahead and paid resale for those just because I'm not gonna make the same mistake twice. Last year, my shoe of the year, the Sean Witherspoons, I didn't cop them when the prices were low, and now they're beyond reach. So I didn't want to make that mistake. I went ahead and copped the Sakais. The video will be coming in a couple days. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content, hit that thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Until next time, guys, peace.